I think it's meant to be pretty simple. I have faith in you guys. You can do it because I believe in you. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, so they're making the different sections. You see the green ones? That's the different shelves. So you put the green ones, then you put your uprights, then you put another two green ones, and then you put your yeah. So I think y'all are in the right direction. You just got to decide which green ones go at the bottom if it matters. It may not matter. Are there any green ones that don't have holes on both sides of them? You see what I mean? Okay, I think so. This is upside down. This is upside down. Leave it. Yeah, leave it together, but just flip it over. Yeah. Yeah. Now, the only thing I'm not sure of is, are two of these green things meant to be the bottom, or are they all the same and it doesn't matter which one you put on the bottom? You see?
Put the shorter ones on the bottom.
Yeah. No, Sam, you got it sideways. Sam, you got it sideways. Other way. Other way. Sam, put it on just like this one. Flip it over. Flip it over. Flip it. Like that. That's why I was telling y'all to find one that maybe looked different and didn't have a hole. I think it is. They just made a whole bunch all the same, and they just let you decide which one. So if the skinny ones don't go together to make a long one, okay, then the skinny ones must be the uprights instead of these long ones. So look, take these long ones out. All the long ones go sideways. I'm thinking the skinny ones go up to make a whole bunch of little shelves. You see what I'm saying? Because look how many skinny ones you have. Yay, they got it. All right. This is from my uncle. He didn't need it anymore. Thanks, Uncle D. It's not tall. 5 feet. But you can close it completely like it is now. Well, I guess you could, looks like you could roll up the door and Velcro it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4 racks. Oh, look, it's warmer already in here. Smells like a new swimming pool. This is pretty cool. We'll be able to start some seeds a little early. Tomatoes. I guess tomatoes is the main thing I'm thinking of. It's going to be cool in a couple of days. But after that, it's probably going to be full-on springtime for us here in Louisiana. Yay! Pants or anything. I have to lay it down. It's pretty weak. Or put your hand under it. Oops. It's only 20 or 30, I think.
There are a couple more in there. So 2 in each?
Yeah. I'll press them down just a little bit. No, that's too deep.
attack. Some people believe it will really hurt us. It's not going to be like a normal missile. It's going to be a weapon that attacks our electrical system and other things through like a strong electromagnetic wave.
I didn't have it. So yeah, listen.
Thanks for watching SERVi Homestead, everybody. Take care and happy gardening. Au revoir.